Hello, Sector, and hi. My name is Ling, and my module number is 285687. So I'm going to present about my region or my town. The name of my region is Evergreen Town. Evergreen Town is named after the lush, abundant vegetation and also beautiful natural scenery and evergreen forest that blankets the region. So the name is chosen because it's to symbolize the region's commitment to preserving its natural environment and promoting the sustainability. So next is the model land use. Evergreen Town follows an eco-friendly, low-impact development model, and the town is carefully balanced urban development with green space, emphasizing the environmental conservation and promoting a healthy, sustainable lifestyle for its residents. Reasons for this model: the chosen model aligns with the Malaysia commitment to the sustainable development and green initiative, as well as the town's values of protecting the environment and minimizing its ecological footprint. So it aims to create a green, thriving community where people can live in harmony with nature, and it also allows for control the urbanization while safeguarding the region's biodiversity and natural resources. So this is the main landmark of the Evergreen Town, which is called Evergreen Oasis Park. And this is an expansive park serves as the heart of the community and offering the recreational place, natural trails and education centers that focus on the environment conservation. So next is the natural resources. Evergreen Town is blessed with vast evergreen forests, clean rivers, and fertile soil. So the region also benefits from renewable energy resources such as solar and hydropower, which ensuring sustainable energy supply in my region. Next, I will talk about the core economies. The core economies of Evergreen Town revolves around sustainable forestry, ecotourism, and organic agriculture. The town promotes responsible forest management, offering eco-tours and to showcase its natural beauty, and supports local farmers who practice organic farming methods. So continue with the relationship with other regions. Evergreen Town maintains positive relationship with neighboring regions by engaging in regional conservation projects and collaborating on ecotourism initiatives. The town is actively participates in sustainability conferences to share knowledge and best practice with other communities. So that is the fragmentation. Evergreen Town is designed to minimize the fragmentation and preserve its natural beauty. The urban planning for this town is emphasize the green belts and interconnected neighborhoods, which allowing the wildlife to thrive and promoting a sense of unity among residents. So last is about the quality of life. Evergreen Town prioritizes the well-being of its citizens, and the town provides access to quality healthcare, education, and recreational facilities, including the green space for outdoor activities. Community involvement is also encouraged, which allows the residents to have a voice in shaping their town's future. So, by adopting a low-impact development model and emphasizing the eco-friendly practice, the Evergreen Town, strives to maintain its evergreen beauty and ensure that the surrounding forest and natural resources remain abundant and vibrant for generations to come. So, this is all the introduction for my town, Evergreen Town. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.